Hey, my name's Alex. This is what we do. Okay, start of a new job. I'm gonna walk you through real quick. What are we doing? Got a, what is this, railroad tie retaining wall. Some schmuck was installing, didn't know what they're doing. No dead mans, random posts. The whole thing shakes. It's leaning. This was just installed. The whole thing is leaning over. It's just like garbage. Check this out. I'll walk over. Neighbor's side. Like, look at this thing. Leaning tower of Giza. Plus, we got this stump right here we're gonna pull out, so you can do some proper drainage back here. Look at this thing. The whole thing leaning. Trash. So we're gonna put this out, put in Belgard Pro 9D block, use all the soil that's up on the hill, grade that back, and give us a 4-foot wall on this end. We've got a lot of drainage coming down, so we need to make sure we have proper drainage here and make sure this baby works. If we do that well, we'll do the secondary wall back there as well. We built out 2 retaining walls, not 1 but 2. We built out a dry creek, really sexy light. We've also regraded this entire property. When we came here, it started off with mounds of dirt, just mounds of dirt piled up from all over the property that they had dug out, you know, before we came here. Let's walk back here, check out what we did using a Belgard Pro 9D block wall in a timberline color, which is a gray type of style. Our river rock is a Tennessee blend, a 3 to 6 inch, I believe, stone, and it's a river stone, so that means it's smoothed and rounded off. Let's check it out. Right behind us, we have the centerpiece. It is a dry creek, like I talked about. It's really beautiful. It has a catch basin on the bottom, along with 5 feet of gravel catch basin underneath it to catch all the water that's actually coming from a pipe up at the top. So this is a very functional dry creek, and the water comes off the main roof line as well as a French drain on the left side here of this home. I'm actually really excited to see how it looks when it rains. I'm literally just going to drive back here and look and just watch it as it rains, because it's going to look super cool, super waterfall-y, and just excellent centerpiece. So here in the dry creek, what we've created is a concave swale down the center that really gives it an original natural look. It starts from the top, flows all the way down to the bottom of this basin, and gives that bowl effect. It looks really good in person. Hopefully the camera will really pick up the aesthetics on this. The concave, it allows the water to flow down the center and stay on center and really make its way down to the destination on the bottom of the hill. What we really like to do is build these in areas where there's natural water flow during high rainstorms, or if you have a pipe such as here from the top that's spewing out water and it needs to go somewhere, and this way we can control the water flow to wherever we like. To our left here, we have a bunch of arborvitaes, emerald greens. They grow approximately 15 to 20 feet, and they stay within a 4-foot circumference. They're going to be really nice, and they create a lot of privacy between this homeowner and that homeowner. So from there, we'll move on to the retaining walls. This curve here, we created approximately 20-25% curve on the center here. We selected the wall to be right between the 2 trees, trying to keep as far away from the current root ball as well as the future root ball of this tree. Client opted to not move either one of these trees, so that's what we got to work with. I always try to stay within away 6 feet from any tree to try and avoid the root ball if at all possible. So here we're roughly 4 feet away. It's closer than I'd like, but again, not really my choice there. We created the curve here, going around these trees and out the back, and really creating an aesthetic look like I talked about earlier. Retaining wall A is an upper structure here to level off the top of the driveway section that looks really nice and curved, really pretty, really beautiful, has a water cutout at the bottom as a backup, along with our bottom wall that is, what is it doing? It's holding up the bottom of the hill, right? So that holds up the hill from the neighbor's side. That's 4 to 3 to 2 to 1 foot in height, approximately 90 feet in length. So look at all the B-rolls we're about to throw in here and just check out how nice this looks.